Hello friends, and welcome to my channel Saira's Creation. In this our today tutorial, I'm gonna teach you about horsehair braid, which is also a stabilizer for hem, and I'm gonna teach you how to use that in your hemming your skirt or any kind of other projects. This tutorial is so much fun. It's perfect for a fuller skirt such as a circle skirt. So let's go ahead and start our today project. As you can see, I'm having a hair two sizes horsehair braid, and more wider your horsehair braid is, it's more hard to work with. So I always suggest to have a medium or small size. They come in different colors. Most popular is a white and black, but I seen on Amazon they carrying different colors as well. I just got this one 50 yards in a $16 or $70, which is I guess perfect rate for that stuff. So let's see how I'm gonna use this on my hem today. This one we're gonna use our right side of fabric and put our horsehair braid on top of that, and we're gonna sew all on the side of edges and make sure your braid is not get stretchy. Just give like your braid a space so it's just become like a flexible to adjust with your fabric. Alright, after stitching horsehair braid on our right side of fabric, now the next part is, if it's depending on your fabric. My fabric is very thick, so I don't need to press in iron it, but if your fabric is light, you should iron and then start pinning up. And then here's another tip. When you are folding this inside out, as you can see, we have did like this inch that should be folded inside. If you do extra fold, then your fabric gonna become like having a bubble, you know, and it's not gonna look nice. So it's like we are folding on the edge of the fabric and horsehair braid. All right, as you can see, we're gonna do all around our edges. As I told you, my fabric is very thick, so I'm like pressing in with my fingers. And we're gonna keep doing this all over our circle. This fabric, skirt fabric, is 6 yards long, so I will come back after done with this all. I'll be gonna sew on a side of this edge like we are doing a piping, and it's gonna look very nice.
perfect hem.
As you can see, this horsehair braid gives so much flow to our skirt, and it's look very pretty. Thank you so much for watching our today project. As you can see, our horsehair braid hem turned out to very pretty. And if you really like our today tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Saira's Creations. God bless you all and have a blessed day. Bye bye.